What voice inside of you needs to be evicted? If your loudest critic lives in your own head, it's time to evict the imposter. The spirit of truth, the voice of truth, does not shame its own children. Hey everyone, it's Yandea, Dream Manifestation Specialist. Today, you will remember the difference. Sometimes the loudest voice isn't coming from the world. It's coming from inside of you. That running commentary, that criticism disguised as accountability, that harshness that leaves you drained, ashamed, or stuck. Today, we name it. Because not every voice inside you is the Holy Spirit. Not every voice inside you is the Spirit of truth. Not every voice inside of you is the Most High. And not every inner knowing is sacred. Now let's just be honest. We all have an inner voice. But over time, through trauma, religion, pressure, that voice can be shaped more by fear than truth. You begin to internalize shame. You hear echoes of childhood scolding, church dogma, unmet expectations. And suddenly, that voice is always correcting, condemning, comparing. But here's the truth. Conviction from the Most High restores, and condemnation from the enemy accuses. How can you tell the difference? Let's compare the tone. The Spirit of truth will correct you with clarity and love. The inner critic will punish you with confusion and fear. The Spirit of Most High will call you higher without stripping your worth. The inner critic will keep you small while pretending that it's good for you. The conviction of Most High is clean, focused, and possible, and never without that feeling of grace. The inner critic's accusations feel messy, heavy, and endless. Ask yourself, is this voice bringing me back into alignment, or is it just keeping me in guilt? You have to reclaim your inner sanctuary. This is way more than self-talk. It's beyond self-talk. This is literally about your spiritual hygiene, keeping yourself spiritually clean. When you let voices of condemnation live within yourself unchecked, they build altars inside of you. They rob you of your clarity, your confidence, and most of all, your communion. But you can cleanse your inner temple. You simply can say, no, that is not God speaking. You can reclaim your inner space as a sanctuary of truth and not one of torment. God's voice does not condemn. It calls you home. So this is how you know. The voice that shames you endlessly is not Most High. The one that restores you to peace, even while correcting you, that's the Spirit of Most High. That's the Spirit of truth. There is a voice that leads you with love, and you were born to follow it, not to fear yourself. Hey everyone, thank you for watching. Thanks for spending this time with me. I hope that what you have heard here has been beneficial to you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and for sharing this video. Please do if you've learned something from it. And I want to remind you that if you would like to connect with me, you can do that by visiting IamAbama.com. You can book sessions, you can get everything you want to get concerning me, retreats, books, whatever the case may be. You can find the link for that in the description below. IamAbama.com. See you there. Bye-bye. Remember, it is my joy to help you manifest your dream life and highest self. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.